Today I'm going to show you how to stop Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. This is really useful if you want to maintain better control over which emails you've actually reviewed versus the ones you've just scrolled past. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding, as you'll need access to your main inbox view to make these changes. It may take a moment for all your messages to appear, especially if you have a lot of unread emails, so just give it a second to sync properly. Once your email has been loaded, we'll begin stopping Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. Navigate to your View menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. This is where all your display and layout settings live. Go ahead and click on the View tab. This tab houses everything related to how your inbox looks and behaves, so it's the perfect place to adjust reading preferences. Once the View menu has opened, look for the Reading pane option and click on it. The Reading pane is that preview window that shows you the content of an email without fully opening it. When you click this option, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From the options listed, click on Options. This will open a Reading pane options window where you can customize how Outlook handles email previews and reading behavior. This is essentially the control center for how Outlook decides when an email has been read. From here, simply uncheck the Mark item as read when selection changes checkbox. This setting is what causes Outlook to automatically flag emails as read the moment you click on them or move between messages. By unchecking this box, you're taking back control and ensuring emails only get marked as read when you actually want them to be. After unchecking the box, click on OK to save your changes. Outlook will immediately apply this new setting, so the next time you browse through your inbox, emails will stay marked as unread until you manually mark them otherwise. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Outlook from automatically marking emails as read, giving you more control over your inbox management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.